सुरवातीक आमची एक खास स्टोरी. ही स्टोरी जावन आसा गोंयच्या ट्युरिझम हाच्या बाबतींत. पळयात, गोंय सरकार करोडांनी रुपया मोडून भायल्या देशांत गोंयचें पर्यटन वाडोवंक प्रयत्न करता. पूण हे काय पयशांचे इबाडपाचें काम काय? हो एक प्रश्न गोंयकारांक पडला. गोंयचे पर्यटन विभाग व ट्युरिझम डिपार्टमेंट हाचे लागीं कितले भायले देशांतले व इंडियेचे भोंवडेकार गोंयांत गेल्ल्या वर्सांनी आयल्यात ते आज पर्यंत आंकडे ना. पूण छाती फुलोवन सांगता की गोंयांत भरपूर भोंवडेकार गेल्ल्या वर्सांनी आयल्यात म्हूण. आदींसून भोंवडेकार जावं ते भायल्या देशांतले व इंडियेचे गोंयचे परमोस व हॉस्पिटॅलिटी, गोंयचें जेवण व कुझीन आनी गोंयचें म्युजीक हाका लागून येताले. आनी हें तांकां गोंयच्या दर्यादेगेर आसलेले ते शेक हांचेर मेवतालें. पूण तें आतां मेवपाक कठीण. हाचें मुख्य कारण म्हणल्यार गोंयकारांनी शेकां आपल्या नांवार घेतल्यांत आनी भायल्यांक चलोवपाक संदी दिल्या. हालींच्या दिसांनी गोंयच्या पर्यटन विभाग हाणें कमी तर 100 शेक्स हांकां शो कॉज नोटीस काडला. ही शेक सुमार 80 उत्तर गोंयांत आनी 19 दक्षिण गोंयांत हांगा आसा. हांचो गुन्यांव ताणें गोंयची शेक पॉलिसी वायलेट केल्या म्हूण. मुख्य म्हणल्यार गोंयकारांनी ही शेक आपल्या नांवांत घेतल्यांत आनी भायल्यांक चलोवंक दिल्यात. आनी परमोस गोंयचें जेवण आनी गोंयचें मुज्ग वाऱ्यार उडयलां, सांगता जेरी पिंटो.
The shack policy in the state of Goa has been brought about by the government primarily to assist the unemployed youth in our state. Therefore, some of the criteria which are critical is number one, the youth or the entrepreneur has to be of domicile in Goa. That means he has to be a Goan youth. They have to promote Goan cuisine. Goan cuisine via our well-known Goan hospitality. And what is critically lacking nowadays is if you go down to the beach, you see so many of the shacks. I won't say all, but you see a lot of the shacks that have been quietly sublet without the government being in the know. And accordingly, the shacks today boast about every other cuisine except Goan cuisine. Also, the kind of hospitality that is experienced over there by the shack goers is a far cry from what it should ideally be. Goan hospitality is well known across the world, and our soft touch and our soft spokenness is missing over there right now. Gone are the days when we Goans ourselves would go and flock to the beach fronts and dine at the shacks and have a great time in the evenings. However, now when you go there, you tend to get a lot of other cuisines, Indian cuisines, and from different parts of India, which is fine to a large extent. To a certain extent, you can have part of the fare on the menu being of Indian origin, because we do have a lot of Indian tourists coming down to the state. But we cannot drift away from the fact that the shacks are mainly to cater to unemployment of Goan youth and the promotion of Goan cuisine.
Our subsequent tourism ministers have not shown the will to maintain and preserve our identity, our culture, our food, etc. The soul of Goa lies in the hinterland among the tribals and on the beach fronts. When the shack policies came out, it was meant to employ unemployed Goans. It is unfortunate that it veered away from the real reason why these shacks were set up and why tourists came to Goa. Tourists came to Goa to enjoy Goa's peace, quiet, harmony, her soulful music, her language. People always spoke of that our language is so sweet. But today, most of our Goans along the coast have sublet their shacks to non-Goans. Now, what does a non-Goan understand about Goa? The reality of our food, our cuisine, our culture. Do they understand it? No, they come with their culture from other parts of the country. It is our culture. It was our tourism ministers who should have been preserving and protecting our identity, our culture, our food, our music. That is not happening. Today, most of these shacks that have been sublet to people from outside the state, they are bringing their culture here. The food that they produce, like I was told that recently that there are thalis from Udupi, etc. Why do you need for somebody, a tourist who wants to enjoy Udupi food will go to Udupi? Why does he have to come to Goa to enjoy? And our Goan food, I heard that many of these shacks are being cooked by Nepalis and people from other states. Can they really cook our food in its original form? It was the duty of the tourism minister to identify women from our society who are good cooks and men who are good cooks and use their expertise in the local foods to cook them and serve it in the shacks. But that is not happening. Our tourism minister must know that all along the coast, just this morning I received photographs from our Kolva beach where there is so much of garbage dumped. Tourists, especially the Western tourists who are used to a clean environment, do not want to come to Goa and see all this. They know who true Goa was. The ones who came 30 and 40 years ago, they know what true Goa was. And today what it has turned into. We are now a cesspool of crime, rapes, murders, name it. It's the harbingers of what was to happen today came from singers like William the Kurturi. We had M. Boyer, we had Remo Fernandez. They all spoke about the reality that was unfolding for Goa.
Tourism वयर सकल जायत वयता आनी that is life आमगेली. म्हाका जाला दिसोता last 35 years हांव tourism आहा 35 वर्सां. गोंयकार सर्वीस दिताय ती न्ही आख्खे वर्ल्डा दिवपा नाय. कित्याक आमी आख्खे जर्मनी, इंग्लंड, दुबय तेश भोंवून येवपा मनीस. Where you from? We are from Goa म्हळ्यार मरे ते सारके हॅपी जाताय गोंयकारू. गोवा इज अ ब्युटिफूल, बीच इज ब्युटिफूल म्हूण. उदो मागल्या आमी आयसोर दिताय गेस्टांक. नुस्तेकारांक कळ्ळें रांपणी नुस्त्या मागल्या आमी तेंक बिचीचेर भाजून दिताय. शेकवाले आपणागे रेस्टॉरंटां बसोल म्हणटो बील हारी कोत्रीच ते तेका आमगे काजू फिणी दिताय, आमगे माडां सोर दिताय. हे गोंयचो सोर म्हूण आनी कितें दिताय हेल्थी सोरो. एसो आमगे गोंयकार कोण. गोंयकारांचो काळीज आख्खे वर्ल्डा फेमस आहा. बरो लोक गोंयकार.
क्रोडांनी दुडू मोडून समज गोंयच्या पर्यटन विभाग हाका दिसता भायल्या देशांतले ट्युरिस्ट गोंयांत येतले म्हूण जाल्यार ते हांगा चुकतले. भोंवडेकार अदीक करून क्वॉलिटी ट्युरिस्ट हांकां बरी सुविधा, बरी परामर्श व हॉस्पिटॅलिटी, गोंयची शांतिकाय आनी घोस्ताचें जेवण हांकां चड गरजेचें. हाकाच लागून भोंवडेकार आदीं गोंयांत येताले आनी परत गोंयांत येवंक आशेतात. तर ह्यो जाणातल्यो आमच्यो सुसेगाद दनपार गोंयच्यो खबरो मेलबर्न ऑस्ट्रेलियासून. मेळुया दुसऱ्या सोमारात. ते मेरेन मोग आसूंदी.